Is SmileDirectClub SDC stock undervalued? So we'll try and find out whether that is the case. We can see that there is a cycle that has played out here. This cycle, well, let's pick it up from sometime in that was mid April 2020 all the way to late, or rather early January of this year 2021. That was a bullish arm of this cycle, we have noticed, and it was a 10-month bullish push. And then we have also noticed that since that time it has declined from that late January to sometime in mid to end of August 2021, which in this case is less than that, the 10 months, So I think, but since that time we have now seen that the trend has been, it has been an upward one. It's not a significant bullish push upwards, but by and large we can see that the lows are getting higher, even though at some point there was some the lows got lower, but the underlying trend is that the lows are getting higher. So going by the fact that at some point the stock was trading at $14 and some fraction, 14.96 or thereabout, sometime early this year, we can simply say yes, the stock is undervalued. This is not exactly the best of its prices. This is not exactly the best. We know it has become a very popular stock, a very popular meme stock, and if going by that as well, you can say yes, it may have lost some of its value. Short sellers have at the moment are winning. You can see what the short interest is indicating here. 31% of the entire float sold short. So yes, I think the stock is undervalued at the moment. It can do better. It most certainly can do better than what it is doing at the moment. The company has been doing well to come up with fundamentals, disclose all the fundamentals, pursuing their business, but the stock, unfortunately or fortunately, is really popular, but it has attracted a lot of short sellers as well, because a lot of recent retail market participants want to focusing on it to, amongst other stocks, to make money out of it. So the consequence of that is that it has lost some of its value, some of its gains. You can see that this retracement that has beset the stock for the entirety of this whole year. So yes, indeed, the stock is undervalued. But not based on its fundamentals, based on the technicals we are looking at right now. So the readout here is saying that it appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend. As we indicated earlier, shares are presently below the 200-day moving average, which is falling along with the 10-day moving average. So the stock is definitely trading below its 200-day moving average. Normally that is not exactly the case. A stock that is doing that is definitely not doing well. So it is undervalued. Yes, it could do better, absolutely. So it's undervalued. There isn't any problem I have heard of or seen that is I haven't seen anything that is problematic with its fundamentals. There might be things there. We have not done any diligence, but I think it's undervalued for sure. So momentum is indicating indicating that the stock is momentum is for SDC strongly bearish. The 14 period stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So yes, you can see that lack of buying interest overall. Yes, the stock is very much in a bearish trend at the moment, even though there are signs that that bearish trend has maybe ending or has ended. It's just consolidating, at least, to say the least. So yes, it is undervalued based on our opinion, and see what you make of SDC stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.